guys, good morning. What's happening? Today I'm a little bit on the busy side. You know, I don't like to vlog and drive, so if I ever am, you know, that means I've got videos to make, but I also have things to do because life doesn't stop because you like it to. And my battery's low, lovely. Well, true story time. There's this bird sanctuary that's chained off at the end of my neighborhood, and I've recently learned that it used to be a nursing home of some sort that they tore down and basically got rid of any memory that it ever had been there. And I don't know why they would do. I mean, there's tons of abandoned buildings around Florida and the Tampa Bay area, but I don't know, it just seems odd that they tore down this building and then tried to forget its existence. But recently, it's always gated, it's always locked up.
What's the Sci-Fi doing?
But recently, that gate's been open for over a week now, so me and my friend Josh are gonna go investigate it and see what's back there. So this should be fun, but at the moment I am running errands for Kelsey. And then I'm trying to meet up with him because he's been waiting on me, but you know, traffic and all this stuff. So I will see you in uno momento. Since I have not done so yet, I would love to take this opportunity to say welcome to my channel. My name is Austin Ryan. You guys are the YouTubers. You guys are the ones that make all this possible. You guys are the ones that come here to watch my channel, to see the entertaining, the good, the bad, all that other good stuff. So, thank you. If you have not already, subscribe to my channel. Why aren't you subscribed if you aren't? Like, what's the matter with you? But you can fix that with just one click. Let's play a fun game called Where You Guys Steer. And so without me wasting any more of your time, let's get on with the vlog. You know, technically we shouldn't be breaking any laws because I haven't seen any no trespassing signs.
A no trespassing sign?
Oh my gosh!
That's what I was looking at either too. I hadn't seen a single one.
Which is, like I said, the gate's usually locked. Chain locked too, so.
Other people in the chain can also run their lock.
We'll jump this opportunity while we can.
Yeah, I know. We rode the bikes to the front of the neighborhood once, and it was all chained up, like double chained up, like overly done, locked up. Like, what are you hiding?
This is where the NCSI was.
After somebody got a flat tire. Go after somebody.
Stop it.
Dude, I want to know what the... Like, he had to have been doing something crazy.
You know who it was. No. See, back there, I don't know if this is part of the same. I don't know if you can get to that from there. Probably get on the sidewalk. There's a dead cat up there. Yeah, this is what I saw earlier. I'm not gonna pull a local call though and show a dead body on camera. Yeah, it's right up here after these trees. Not gonna show that.
Whatever happened to having a clip? This was like
Watch me get up here and the gates be closed.
I was gonna say, I just pulled back in here. Not even 30 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago.
Yeah. We are officially inside the gates.
Definitely something.
Parking spots.
Old parking spots.
Something was
I'm
here.
gonna need some help building some.
Unless you want to stick more towards that way.
Is it a creek?
No.
Yeah, I think that is shut down, dude. I see no parks.
Or it's just not connected to this. The rumor is this complex here is shut down. There's a couple of blue sports right there we can look through and see if we see cars. Oh, see? That's those.
Yeah, there's definitely not shut down.
That I'm not sure of. Okay, well. Well, that part of the rumor proved to be horribly, disappointingly false. So, I mean, there's speed humps here. I mean, what was this?
Parking spots in here.
Yeah.
I wonder if that was something.
We could have gotten to here just from without walking through that fence. What? Not turning, but I think you could walk. No, it's not. The side's not fenced in at all.
It's not?
No.
What the hell was this?
Okay, well, wait a second. Maybe it is fenced up.
She also said something about a bird sanctuary, but I haven't seen it.
No, it's supposed to be a bird sanctuary.
What, this area?
Yeah.
Would that be why it's gated?
Yeah. Yes, I think so.
But why the f would they put a gate when they're birds? They can fly.
So people don't get in and disturb them, like us. I mean, what was this though? Like, it's like a concrete roundabout. And big ass glass jars.
Somebody's getting.
I was massively disappointed.
I was expecting there to at least be like something.
Hey, look at all that open field though.
I even brought like a bobby pin and a screwdriver. Yeah, I'm not understanding this. What's all this?
End of the road. What's that got a sign? You're like, okay. More road over here.
There's like at least like a little hut or something that we can find some answers in. Maybe. You think this should be on Google Earth? Pinpoint the location, see what it is.
Possibly. You can try it. This looks like a dope little spot, doesn't it? This is like the spot, man. This is where this is where you find me chilling.
This is where you find what?
You find me chilling. If I was a bird, that'd be my tree.
I feel like this is where you would find a body.
Also true.
Like that. It's just so like perfectly in a little hole.
Dope place to shoot a music video.
Huh?
Yeah, dope place to shoot a music video.
Right.
Yeah, but I really don't know. Ooh. What's that? Gopher hole? Turtle hole? Anybody home? No. Okay. Well, I'd say we walked the entire excuse me, area.
Yeah. There's not.
Oh, that was lame.
It's disappointing.
Hopefully next time we come back I'm doing something more interesting. Hey guys, it's been quite a few hours since, you know, you last saw me. The time is, you can't really see the clock right here, but the time is, it's 2:51 a.m. and I'm sure you guys remember one of my last videos. Me and my friend Josh, there's this bird sanctuary up at the end of my neighborhood that's usually fenced off and locked with padlock and a chain. Well, the past week we've kind of just kept an eye on it and noticed like it's been open. And so we went through there because he had heard a rumor that there's an old abandoned apartment complex and or nursing home back there that's why locked up, whatever. Well, as you guys saw, the rumor wasn't true. But with some little more further asking around, turns out there actually was something back there that would be why there was a concrete driveway almost and parking spots all the way around it. There actually was an abandoned nursing home. I'm pretty sure it was a nursing home back there, and within the past 10 years it's been torn down, like to the fact like you can't even see where it was. There's nothing but trees. But it's 2:52 now. Basically, you know, I'm real big into the paranormal, and any opportunity I can get to go out and do something involving that, I usually take it without risking my own safety too much. So, you know, I'm pretty nervous about doing this, to be quite honest, just because the fact that it's an open area that anybody can be in. You know, you gotta take precautions against certain people and whatnot. So, you know, certain kids, if you're watching this, you know, don't sneak out of your house at 3 in the morning to go investigate. Be safe. And then, you know, we got 7 minutes, so I'm gonna go put some shoes and jacket on and then be right back. So, Alright, it is 3:01, about to be 3:02. Like, this stuff is real, guys. It's not to be messed with, it's not to be disrespected, it's not to be played with. What I am doing is, what I'm doing is trying to communicate with them in the most respectable way possible. I mean nothing but respect. So, again, it is after 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna bring my phone with me as a type of voice recorder. It's really all I have besides the camera recording, both audio and visual. You guys will see and hear everything, but I'm hoping maybe my phone will pick up something that the camera might not. So, without any further ado, here we go. As you guys can see, it is the middle of the night. There are not people outside, and if you listen real close, I'll stop, listen. Like, you barely hear any traffic out. Like, unfortunately, I am 2 streets away from a highway right over there, but because it is so late, I'm not expecting a whole lot of that. We have a nice moon tonight. The moon does have a little bit of history involving some occult work with the paranormal, but usually that involves a full moon. We have I don't know the sign, the phases of the moon very well. It seems like we're in first quarter, which either means the first quarter either means the first part of it is shaded as so, or the last part of it. So we're either in first or last quarter. I'm just not sure which one's which. I just know that it's somewhere around that. I am really nervous though, because like if that was what they say and it was an actual abandoned nursing home type deal, the energies there will be intense. And being after 3 a.m., like, I've already got chills. And like, not just that, like, I actually believe in this stuff. So, like, I know it's real. When we get over here, the light will be a bit darker, so I'm wondering how much you guys will be able to see. I'm hoping it'll be a little bit. I've got a flashlight on my phone if needed, but I think we're mainly going to try to do this for the sound quality. I don't know how much I can capture. We're walking right next to it now, guys. All this right here, I doubt you can see it. But all this, you can kind of see the fence posts right there. And then there's the apartment building that Josh was misinformed that was supposed to be the abandoned one. Well, he wasn't far off. There was a building there. It's just not there anymore. And you know, besides the paranormal, there are actual physical risks involved here, from wild animals to people. You know, like, being by yourself is dangerous in more than one way, but I don't have a partner with me tonight, so it's just me. Well, and you guys, but you guys won't see this for a little while. You know, another thing, like, my birthday is in literally 6 days. April 4th, for you guys that aren't sure. So I hope I make it to my birthday. Not even hope, I'll make it to my birthday. This isn't gonna be like some scary movie. But I mean, look at this. So you can see me now. All of that. Like that pitch darkness beyond the fence. That's what I'm going into. The entrance is right up here. I am really creeped out. I've got the chills. My touch autofocus just got canceled. I mean, that stuff could be paranormal, but it also couldn't be. So, you guys know my videos are usually in HD, but this one... A fire hydrant just scared me, my god. Alright guys, here we go. This is it. We're officially inside. What I'm walking into now is... there's concrete, Kind of goes like a roundabout. But Kelsey told me the building here used to be right in like the center, so I'm gonna walk into the middle. Okay, I'm gonna get my voice recorder going. Here we go. Here we go. Let's walk off into the darkness over here. Is there anybody here that wishes to communicate with me? Come speak to the device in my hand. Was this a nursing home? What's that? Let's try to review this at 8 minutes and around 8 minutes 15 seconds. I swore I heard somebody shush me from the bushes right in front of me. You guys can't see it, and I'm not walking any closer. If there's somebody here, say something. Make your presence known. Come talk to the device on my hand. I'm here to communicate. I mean you no disrespect. There's creaking going on directly in front of me, guys. A lot of it. Hello? Like I said, guys, that could be anything from a wild animal to a person, and I'm honestly sketched out. I'm by myself out here. Yeah, we're getting the away from here. I'm not even gonna walk on the same side of the road. I didn't like that, you guys. It's like I was there for a second, and like nothing, there was no sound, and still I started asking it questions. My voice recorder was still on, damn. Okay. So I got like 10-12 minutes of video, like 5-6 minutes of audio. I don't know. I don't know. I'm back. It's weird. It's approximately 3:20, so I barely spent, 10 minutes out there. I mean, call me what you will, whatever. I'd like to see most of you guys go out and... dogs. Whatever. Yeah. I'm creeped out. It's late. Rider stop. I'm creeped out. It's late. I survived. Stay smiling. Work hard. Don't mess with the paranormal unless you know at least some of what you're doing. And if you do, be respectful about it. I will see you guys next time. Peace.